Hello again and welcome to this short tutorial on overall lead management. In a previous video, a single lead was added. I want to disclose that I have added a few more leads since then to be able to facilitate better explanation. Okay, let's go to it. In the home page, you will be able to see the left menu pane and the lead application. Select it. Once inside the lead application, the first thing to point out is that we don't have one, we have three now. But let's get started with the top bar, which will help you find your leads. Obviously, when you only have three, there's not much filtering you need. But this is a demo to show the capabilities when you will have or have many leads. The first one to see is status. We'll come back to it because it only gives you an option of new because all your leads are in the new. ID. ID is if you remember a key number or the ID number that you have. Now, important to know is that you don't have to remember the whole number. It will help you find. So, for example, if I type 8-22, well, this will not be very helpful in this case because all of them are 822. So a filter has been applied, but you did not gain much. If you go down to the next level in the suggestions, those suggestions are only matching taxi fights. And let's see another one. Let's see how we do 22-2. In this case, you were able to see that the database is suggesting. You don't have to select it. You can just search. But by you being able to filter here now and selecting this, you can be narrowed down to the single option. The other filters work similarly. Full name. You can type partially, it's the full name field, but you do not have to put in the full name. For example, I can type in Castillo. And here it gives me the suggestion of which one you could select. If there's no suggestions, it gives you a hint already that there's no matching, and maybe you need to rethink about this. But you are not mandated to have to type the full name. This will be enough to filter on anything that starts with CAST. Similarly, if I just type A, you will tell that everyone has an A in their name. Cell phone number, same concept again. You just need to type partial. If you know the zip code, it's different. If you know the last four, same again. Filter by that. Agent. I have taken the liberty and added agents, three different agents for each of the members. Like before, I can select and say, I want to filter on demo member. And when you select it, you will only get the one that belongs to demo. Follow up, unlike the other ones, you have a calendar will show up. This calendar will help you find out and restrict the leads that you see by the follow up date. Let's select one. Let's select Wednesday. You want to know who is the lead on Wednesday that you're supposed to follow it up on. If you select this one, it gives you the single lead. Now let's go and see what the table shows you. The first column is the ID. It's a unique reference to that lead. Status. Status tells you where in the process this lead is. This is brand new. No work has been done. Full name is provided, cell phone number, follow-up date, appointment, agent. So this overall is the management. You can see the front page and see all your leads. You can manage, you can sort them. Another capability you have that I almost forgot to mention is on the header of every single column, you're able to sort them. So, for example, you want to change the order of the full name, modify. Okay, so I'm gonna pause it now, and we're gonna have a separate video dedicated for the detail of each client, and you will see the capabilities. Thank you. Have a good day.